Alright, so today we're going to do a repair video on my wife's MacBook Air. This is a mid-2011 11-inch MacBook Air, and if you see there, a bit of a gap, telltale signs of the battery expanding. Doesn't hold a charge anymore. You can see there's a little bit of bowing there. Don't mind all the fingerprints, but yeah, it's bulging right over here. So what we did is we did a quick search online and we found this one. This is the T-Mark. It's for the, I think hers is a 80, well, I forget what the number was, but it's for the mid-2011 MacBook Air. And this replacement battery we got off of Amazon. And it was very highly rated. I think it was actually Amazon's choice. The cells do look a little bit different, I think, on the one that we saw specifically for the MacBook Air. The cells were split here, but I don't know if that really makes a difference. But overall, build quality looks really good. It doesn't look like it's refurbished. It looks new. So it was supposed to be new anyway, but you know how they sometimes just take old batteries and whatever they can salvage off of the battery packs and they put them into new packs. But the great thing about this is it also comes with the pentalobe screwdriver that you need to unscrew these screws. I thought I had one, but I guess I didn't. But that came with it. Total, I think it came out to $69. They had one that was cheaper. I think it was $39. I'll put a link in the description if you want to see that. But I don't know. I saw a lot of good reviews on this that it was basically an exact fit for the MacBook Air. So why don't we go ahead and get started repairing this MacBook. Alright, so let's get started. Thankfully we caught it before it got too crazy. You can see it doesn't quite lay flat, but hopefully replacing the battery will take that swelling away. So let's see, it comes with two screwdrivers and they look like they are two different sizes. No, well, maybe it's just ever so small. I can't actually tell. Let's see. Perfect. Yeah, too big. That's probably for when we get to the batteries themselves. I have seen people online talk about taking note of where the screws came out of, so I'm going to try to be mindful of that. Okay. Yeah. Check that out. Just that one. You can see what I was telling you in comparison. These cells here are solid as opposed to being split up. However, the fitment should be fine. And I'm surprised how clean this is for how old is this?
So this is the...
That's the bad one, yeah.
Wow.
It's snapped right here in the middle. How old is this? We got this, did we buy it in 2011?
Yeah.
Yeah, you only got a little bit of dust, nothing crazy. The fans are nice and clean.
I don't eat over my computer.
Well.
I'm very particular. I think probably the only thing is maybe every so often I get a little grease like on the space bar.
Yeah.
You know, but you don't eat over your laptop.
So that's why we have the second one. This one doesn't fit the screws for the battery itself. So we'll start with the center. Okay. And there we go. Now for the battery, it looks like we have three different sizes. I think that's it. Oh, and let's take off the Not really sure if that just comes straight out. It looks like it does. Yeah, just pop right out. And there she goes. Wow. That was really easy. Okay. Get a better look at the damage. Looks like it's too bad. These cells may still be good, but you got that one. Put that away. Okay. New battery. Let's see how well she just sits in there. Oh yeah, look at that. It's perfect. Perfect fit. So let's get this guy in. One thing I noticed is the connector, not a big deal, but this one has a little plus and minus. And this one has nothing, but the top part actually has a rubber pad, a foam pad there. And this one's just hard plastic. But as far as I can tell, I mean, the fitment is perfect. Okay, so now we just put everything back where it was. Okay, no raised edges. That feels perfect. And the gap is completely gone now. And it looks like the warping that was happening right around this section of the keyboard is now smoothed out. So now let's see if she turns on. Let's see how much battery we got right out of the box. All right. I don't know how well you can see that, but 65%. Cool. So other questions that we had is, well, comments that I was reading on Amazon's website. How long does it take to charge? Is it supposed to take the amount of time? Some people were saying 4 hours. And some people were saying that the runtime was better after replacing it with this battery. So we'll see. But either way, hope you enjoyed that video of just me replacing a battery on a 2011 MacBook Air. And we'll see you next time.